Hello and welcome to Cloud Perceptor channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can hack-proof your AWS account in 8 easy steps. So why we need to safeguard? Because these days hackers are breaking into Amazon cloud accounts and they mine cryptocurrency, okay, which leaves owners stuck with huge bills for computing. So basically hackers break into cloud accounts to mine cryptocurrency, leaving owners with huge bills for computing power. As you know, cryptocurrency mining requires huge computing power and can incur huge costs. It is not at all recommended to use cloud for cryptocurrency mining. Experts and developers say that Amazon should put some guardrails on account billing, okay, and like to prevent this from happening. Like Amazon and other cloud providers usually say that user errors are responsible for most account breaches. So of course, user errors are already responsible because, as you know there is a division probably. So there is some part which AWS manage and some part which user has to manage. So whatever security is with the cloud, okay, say like hardware and premises where these servers are located, is done by AWS. But yes, let's say if your applications are deployed and you want to safeguard it, the responsibility is yours. So I'll show you how exactly what all steps you need to perform. So basically, Christine, a Seattle developer, okay, who creates mobile applications for local publishers, woke up on New Year's Day, okay, and he received an alarming message, okay, from AWS account that he owed more than $53,000 for a month of hosting, a far cry from his typical $100 to $150 bill. So, in order to avoid this, you need to follow these 8 easy steps, probably to safeguard your account. Okay, so these are the steps for safeguarding your AWS account. First and most important step is to enable MFA for your root account and do keep a strong password. Okay. Secondly, avoid using your root account for daily activities on AWS. Next is create an IAM user and assign least privilege to that user, and you should use that IAM user for your daily activities. Fourth is restrict security groups. So just check for open ports and see if uh, access to everyone is granted. Like okay, so it should not grant access to all IP like 0.0.0/0. Okay, you should have some restrictions on that. Check all public S3 buckets and make sure there are no user data gets compromised. So you should check regularly for public S3 buckets. See if you should restrict unused buckets, okay, delete them or make them private and make sure that no user data is compromised over there. Sixth is make sure EC2 volumes and S3 buckets are encrypted. So all the data that gets stored in EC2 volumes, S3 buckets should be encrypted and make sure that keys in KMS are rotated on regular basis. Okay, and follow trusted advisor recommendations. I'll show you the trusted advisor. I'll walk you through how what all recommendations it gives. All right, so here's my trusted advisor dashboard. As you can see, there are some recommended actions, okay, which is related to security, investigation recommended too for the security. So here are the recommended actions. First is my root account is not enabled an MFA, so it asks you to, you know, enable MFA on your root account. Next is Amazon has 3 bucket permissions. So it also shows you the bucket permissions. Check for bucket permissions which has public or too many open access. Okay. Next is the security group. So specific ports unrestricted. So basically you should keep an eye on these recommended actions and act regularly in order to safeguard your account. But first and foremost, you should enable MFA on your root account. Okay, so that's it for this session. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.